We shipped Sprint 1. Ada also broke everything twice. The brand kit generator is done, a Claude Code skill for small businesses. You describe your business, you get a static site, a poster, a leaflet, multilingual content. It works now. Getting there was less smooth. First, 119 tests, all green. The Gemini calls were stubs, never touched the internet. The skip flag was set. The build pipeline never exercised the real path, so we caught it in manual QA. Then Ada wired up the wrong model. Lois had done the research. The file was right there. Ada did not read it. She pulled the model ID from external SDK docs. Same failure mode as phase 0. The agent reaches for the easiest source, even if it is wrong. 3 rules added to CLAUDE.md. Internal docs first. Explicit research handoffs with literal file paths. Extract configs before building. And one more thing. There is no QA agent in this team. Every failure I caught was me, manually. That is a bottleneck. Sprint 2 is fixing it. Sprint 2 starts now. QA agent incoming.